I'm in. Where are the targets?
5 targets, lakeside deck. Handguns present.
Of course, handguns are present. The day organized crime isn't packing is the day I hang up my wig.
Dinah, you don't wear a wig anymore.
Okay, first of all, no, I do not. Second of all...
Second of all? There's never a second of all.
Second of all, what are you? The metaphor police?
That was an analogy, not a metaphor.
What are you? The metaphor police?
Tony Zuko isn't home. Just henchmen.
That's fine.
I don't feel like fighting Tony in a dress.
Just feels wrong somehow.
An IT guy in a dress. Wait, no, why is the IT guy in a dress?
Hey, fellas. Sorry to keep you waiting, but I promise I'll be worth your while.
Are you the IT guy we called?
Oracle? Who are these guys expecting?
Felicity Smith, IT expert. Zuko security systems were acting up.
Felicity?
It was all in the brief.
God damn it, I thought you were joking.
It was an easy in.
First of all, have you seen me? IT specialist? Really?
You don't have to play a call girl every time, Dinah. I mean, you're a smart, modern woman. You can...
I was the leader of the Justice League, Barbara. I know I'm smart.
But...
Second of all, have you seen me? My looks are my best asset for infiltration. I've spent most of my life fighting crime in fucking fishnets, for Christ's sake. Tactically speaking, infiltrating a criminal organization dressed as an escort is, pardon the analogy,
Idiom.
like taking candy from a fucking baby.
Isn't it degrading? Aren't you better than that?
You sound like my damn mother, who also fought crime in fishnets. And thank you from sex workers everywhere, world champion of
Feminism?
All right. You're right. I'm sorry, Dinah. I just thought you might want to try something.
You're just mad because you can't wear high heels.
I can wear high heels. Just not very good at walking. House is clear. Last week, you helped Bruce infiltrate that seaside factory. The briefing said you were an oceanographer from Santa Cruz.
Escort.
Infiltrating Gorilla Grodd's death cult?
Escort.
Wait, Poison Ivy's takeover of the Gotham Tulip Festival.
Lesbian escort.
I guess it's escorts from here on out. Wait, Gorilla Grodd?
Let's not get into what Gorilla Grodd learned in prison.
Copy that.